Hi, if you want to use Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings first and here go in the General Management. After that, select the keyboard list and default and check the default keyboard. You can choose here between Samsung keyboard and the G board, which is Google board. So if you enabled Samsung keyboard as your default, here, make sure to enable Google Voice Typing feature. You can also tap it and here set languages and even add some languages. Also, if we switch to the keyboard, for example, now we can also enable Google Voice Typing, but the keyboard will look a little bit different from the Samsung one. So let me show you the keyboard first and then the Samsung one. Let's open this Messages app. And here is how the keyboard looks. So you can just tap this microphone icon and start speaking and it will be transformed to a text right in this texting tab. Tap the microphone to stop recording you. Now let's switch to the Samsung one. Here in the default, select Samsung, go back in the Messages app, and now the keyboard looks like that. And the microphone icon you can see on the bottom of the screen on the left side. So just tap it, say something as before, and it will be transformed to a text within a couple of seconds. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.